Incredible and accessible ideas to boost your affiliate program. Imagine if there was some magical resource that could grant your every wish when it comes to affiliate marketing and increase your income tenfold. Unfortunately, no such thing exists, however, you have come to probably the second best option to that. Watch this video and enjoy these smart tips. Once you have found techniques that work well, do not rely on them exclusively. You should always be on the lookout for new tools and new trends. You could broaden your audience or keep in touch with your customers, if the techniques you are currently using should become obsolete. Remember that everything becomes obsolete, sooner or later. Use affiliate ads as a service to your readers and make sure that it complements your content. Provide it as a way to send them in a right direction based on something you have said or recommended. This will make it seem less out of place, and more like a service you are providing. Another way to make your affiliate advertising venture a success is to put information and support into the product that you are referring. If you simply put ads up, your visitors will probably not follow through with a purchase. If you give a review of a product or suggest a product, then you might get more hits. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, utilize time management software to record your different tasks. This will allow you to evaluate the amount of time that you spend on all of the different tasks you do, and eliminate potential bottlenecks. It can be surprising to learn how much time you waste on simple things like checking your email. In conclusion, you know that there is no magic hat that you can use to pull out all the right answers to your affiliate marketing questions. However, as promised, the tips included in this video should be the next best thing. Go ahead and try out what we have suggested and you should enjoy better results. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.